Okay, so I just got a squishy from Five Below, and I'm excited. So I hope it's the dumpling squishy. That's the golden squishy, or one of the silver squishies. But if it's not, it's okay. I'm probably just gonna get one of the colorful ones, but that's still okay because I literally don't care. Like, dumplings are going like crazy, like selling out like crazy. So no matter what, I'm still gonna be happy that I got a dumpling squishy. Okay, I'm excited to open it, and I hope I get the dumpling, glitter dumpling squishy, or the silver squishy. Let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! 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 Please! No way! It's a dumpling squishy! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's the dumpling squishy. Oh my gosh! Dumpling squishy! Oh my gosh! Oh, the face is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I got the dumpling, glitter dumpling squishy.